In Lytrod Software, you are able to multi-up your application to utilize the maximum printing space available on the substrate you are using. I only need to design one of these 2 by 3.5 inch Shelftalkers, and I am then able to multi-up the form as many times as needed to fit the page that they will be printed on. With my page design complete, I go to File, New Job, to create a new job and start defining my print job properties. To define my multi-up settings, I select the multi-up folder and then click Add to enable more options. You can define your form as being multi-up in both the rows and columns. First, I'm going to define the rows. So I select the rows option, and from the Edit Information drop-down, I select the number of rows that I'd like. So I'm going to select 3, and then click Update to update this information. I define the number of columns that I'd like in the same manner. So I select the Columns option, and again from the Edit Information drop-down, I select the number of columns that I'd like. So I'm going to select 4, and then click Update again to update this information. Next, I need to define the paper size of the end result substrate that I'm going to be printing on. So I select the paper size folder, and click Add to enable more options. The orientation is already set to portrait, so I'm going to leave that as is. And I need to change the paper size to an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So I select this second option, and again from the Edit Information drop-down, I can select from a wide variety of standard paper sizes. In this instance, I'm using 8.5 by 11 inches sheet, so I'll choose that, and then click Update to update this information. Now with my multi-up settings complete, when I click Save to VIP, you will see the end result produces a multi-up variable application.